Xiaomi Mi 8. This is a 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage version. At Xiaomi 8th anniversary celebrations held in Shenzhen, China, founder Lei Jun made it clear that the brand's fight on delivering the best flagship smartphone is not just with Apple, but with Huawei as well. Lei Jun finally took the wraps off the Xiaomi Mi 8, the new flagship for the Chinese internet company, which was frequently compared in the keynote, not just with Apple's popular iPhone X, but with Huawei P20 Pro smartphone as well. The Mi 8 has arrived as the most powerful Snapdragon 845. Also, it blessed with amazing dual rear cameras, and a display that offers a huge screen. The Chinese manufacturer has also launched the special edition Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition. So let's start the unboxing and see what's inside this box. The company is positioning the Mi 8 as an arch-rival to the iPhone X, Galaxy S9 Plus, and OnePlus 6. The Mi 8 succeeds the Mi 6, which was launched in April last year. Xiaomi Mi 8 is priced at yuan 2,699 for 6GB RAM, plus 64GB storage option. The 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage option price in China is yuan 2,999. Mi 8 with 6GB RAM and 256GB storage comes with a price tag of yuan 3,299. In terms of appearance, Mi 8 looks different from the company's recently launched Mi Mix 2s. This time though, the phone sports an iPhone X-like notch above the 6.21-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with an aspect ratio of 18.7:9. This the first smartphone from Xiaomi to adopt the controversial notch design language. Xiaomi Mi 8 can be seen sporting a wider notch, which houses the advanced infrared face unlock recognition system that lets you unlock the device by looking at it. Xiaomi claims its infrared facial recognition system will work in dark, and it can't be fooled by masks. The backside of the phone has a vertically stacked dual camera setup and a fingerprint scanner. The handset has the metal design and glass back. The Mi 8 runs latest MIUI 10, which is based on Android RM. Under the hood, it is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor, coupled with 6GB RAM and 64GB, 128GB, 256GB of internal memory. The phone is backed by a 3,400 mAh battery. For photography, it has dual 12MP cameras. One is a wide-angle one, with a f1.8 aperture lens, and the other a telephoto lens, with a f2.4 aperture. Other features include face detection autofocus, 4-axis optical image stabilization on the wide-angle module, and an LED flash. On the front, there is a 20MP front-facing snapper, with a f2.0 aperture, AI beautification, and 3D portrait lighting. The Mi 8 is also the world's first smartphone to feature dual-frequency GPS. The company claims the navigation frequency is 3 to 5 times higher. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.